Iyan. So I think we're live now on Facebook. Hold on. Okay, so we're live now. Ayan. So mag-introduction lang ako and then I'll introduce each of you. Okay. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to all of our viewers for today's Grandison Espresso Lounge. Ayan, sobrang special yung topic natin today. Of course, it's about NPTE, no? And very, very, very relevant naman today because the results for the July 2024 NPTE is already out. So congratulations to all the NPTE passers, no? Especially sa mga Grandison scholars natin. Yan, congratulations to all of you guys. Yeah. And of course, to officially start our interview and our event for today, let me introduce myself first. My name is Jody, and I'm your Gandasson Espresso Lounge host. So this is your virtual coffee table, a place where we catch up with our nurses, PTs, OTs, and of course, our partners. Yan. So this is a place, no, of course, where we encourage everyone to share their experience, no, educate, and of course, share inspiration to the other healthcare professionals, no, aspiring to work in the United States. And for today, I'm sure nakita niyo yung poster earlier, no, we will be talking about yan, the benefits of becoming a Grandison Scholar and how to pass your NPTE in one day. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi naman pwedeng ako lang yung nandito for today, right? So, let me call on our special guest for today. I will start with Janver. Yan. We have a representative from the Grandison Therapy Recruitment Team. Hi, Janver.
Hi, Miss Jody. Good afternoon po. Hi,
Yeah.
guys.
Hi, Janver. Kamusta? Kamusta ang weather dyan sa Makati?
Kanina mukhang uulan, pero okay naman na, Miss Jody.
Yan. Okay, mukhang okay na kasi nag-light up na ang nag-light up na ang mood ng mga tao, no? Because the July 2024 NPT results are out.
For
And of course,
sure.
no, aside from Sir Janver, we also have one of our April 2024 NPTE passers from CDU. Let's all welcome Miss Farah Camille Amik. Hi, Miss Farah.
Hi po, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Yes. Welcome to
everyone.
Grandison Espresso Lounge. We're so happy to have alumni from CDU, no? Later on, we also have one more special guest. But before that, Miss Farah, can you give a short introduction about yourself? Ayan,
All
short
right po.
intro lang.
Sige,
Go
hello
ahead.
everyone. My name is Farah Camille Amit. And as what said earlier, I am a passer for the April 2024 exam po.
Yes, okay. Thank you, Miss Farah. And of course, also from Cebu Doctors University, we also have Miss Dorothy Eloise C. Hi, Miss Dorothy. Ayan, medyo nakamute ka pa, ma'am.
Good afternoon po.
Hi, good afternoon, Miss Dorothy. Are you in Cebu right now, Miss Dorothy?
Yes po.
Oh, yes. And you, Miss Farah, is also in Cebu right now.
No, ma'am. I'm from Zamboanga City po in
Oh,
Mindanao.
Zamboanga. Yes. Okay, Zamboanga. Hold on. Okay. Now, so welcome to Grandison Espresso Lounge. So let me just check. Sir Janver, ayan, medyo kailangan lang natin ng assistance, no? Sa FB Live ba natin, nakaapat na ba ang ating screen or nakasolo lang?
Yes, ma'am. Nakikita naman po lahat.
Okay, and I just want to make sure that everyone is seeing Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy as well. Ayan. And of course, yan. Today's event, no, won't be successful. Ayan. We have one more special guest from GH Premier. Let me welcome Miss Iana Fajardo.
Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
Miss Iana.
Hello po.
Ayan, Miss
Good
Iana, welcome to
afternoon.
Grandison Espresso Lounge.
Hello.
And we're so happy to have you today. Ma'am, can you introduce yourself, no? Maybe a brief background lang din ni GH Premier.
Okay, so I am Miss Iana Fajardo and I am the department head of the NPTE department of GH Premier Review Center, which is the partner review center of Grandison Management when it comes to the NPTE and TOEFL for physical therapist, ma'am. So I've been working with GH since 2020. So, ayan, no? And I am also a Grandison scholar as well, actually.
Yes. Yan. Thank you so much, Miss Iana, no? I think medyo humble din yung introduction ni Miss Iana, no? But to inform you guys, or para ipakilala ko rin further si Miss Iana. Miss Iana is the NPT Department Head of GH Premier, like she mentioned, no? Pwede ko ba sabihin that GH Premier is the #1 NPT review center in the Philippines? Yes, of course, no? With 600 plus NPTE passers na. Yan, si GH Premier. And congratulations, Miss Iana, and to your team.
Mhm.
Yan, balita ko,
Thank you,
no?
ma'am.
85% of our first-time takers this July 2024 passed the
Yes,
NPTE. Ang
ma'am.
galing.
That's correct.
Congratulations. Ayan.
Thank you,
Yan.
ma'am.
Yes, of course. And of course, no, we have a lot of questions here later on for Miss Dorothy and Miss Farah. But before that, yeah, let me call on once again Mr. Janver, no? Of course, importante na makilala niyo muna kung sino si Grandeson, especially to those fresh PTLE passers nitong June 2024, no? So we want to take this opportunity to introduce to you Grandison, the benefits and the offer that we have as well, and why you should be a Grandison scholar. And that will be presented to you by none other than Mr. Janver.
Thank you, Miss Jody. So,
Yes.
share ko lang po yung screen ko. Let me know if visible na rin po siya sa Zoom and sa Facebook.
Sure, I will just check on Facebook.
Eh, I think visible naman na siya.
Yan.
Good afternoon, guys. So, mabilis lang po na online orientation to kasi ang highlight naman talaga ng ating Facebook launch for today is of course to inspire our PTs. No, but of course, before kayo ma-inspire, let me introduce the Grandison po muna and kung paano makakatulong sa Grandison, kung paano makapasa yung mga PTs po natin. So, my name is John Ver, one of the Recruitment Associate of Grandison Therapy USA. So, with me, let's find out why now is the best time for you to start your journey. So, with us, now with Miss Iana, with Miss Farah, now with Miss Dorothy. So, let us inspire you to become Grandison Scholar. Together, let's find the answers in choosing the grandest career path. Ayan. So if you have the dream here at Grandison, we have the dream. We have the team also. No? So we will make sure that you can and you will achieve your hashtag Grand USA journey. So of course, si Grandison is ready po, no, from your recruitment. So we have the recruitment team here in Philippines. So kung gusto nyo pong, eto guys, yung present po natin is ano lang naman po, a little bit of introduction with Grandison. Pero yung mga PTs po na nanonood sa Facebook Live, kung gusto nyo po ng thorough or mas detailed po na online orientation, feel free to contact me sa Facebook po. That's John Ray Grandison. We have Miss Laurie, with Miss Sarah, Sir Nathan, and of course other recruiters here in the Philippines po natutulong sa inyo na maging part din ng Grandison. So we will make sure that you can and you will achieve your hashtag Grand USA journey. So, ayan, with Grandison, no, nagsimula po tayo 2012 dito sa Philippines. So, ibig sabihin, 14 years na po sa industry si Grandison, and only us was able to continuously deploy PTs, even, PTs in the US even in times of retrogression or pandemic po. So, kung gusto niyo po malaman po ano po ba yung mga naging uncertainties before, no, mga challenges lang naman yung dati na hanggang ngayon, syempre, no, kinakaharap pa rin natin. Dati dito naman si Grandison para isolve yun yung mga challenges na yan. It's a continuous commitment of secure placement, and now with a faster and easier track to achieve your American dream. Ayan, so what makes the Grandison so confident? No, I believe it's our secure placement. Yun po yung mapapangako namin sa inyo. Aside from, of course, sponsoring you guys from your review hanggang ma-deploy kayo. Number one, job security. No issue of abandonment even in times of retrogression. Or sabihin na natin kahit ano pa pong uncertainties. So, basta ang pinapromise ni Grandison, wala tayong i-abandon ng papers or mga aplikante po. Number two, employer and your visa sponsor. So, si Grandison, we are the employer and your green card sponsor. We will have partner with some of the largest healthcare providers, nursing facilities in the US for long-term secure placement. Number three, available PWDs. It stands for Prevailing Wage Determination. So, ibig sabihin po, sinusunod po ni Grandison kung ano po yung nakatakdang PWD or nakatakdang salary rate po sa state po na madideployan po ng mga PTs natin. In short, wala pong salary cap sa Grandison. Number four, employers interview. Many of our clients trust the Grandison to do the interviews on their behalf. So, yan po, meron na rin po tayong risk assessment po, no, which is held by Miss Iana herself, no. So, siya na rin po yung gumagawa ng interview natin. But when it comes to employer, wala na po tayong rejection na mag-feel with them. More on introduction na lang kapag nakausap natin ang inyong employer sa US. Ayan, so welcome sa ating timeline po or sa possible po na program na pwede pong pasukan ng mga PTs po natin once na nag-sign up sila or once na nag-join po sila sa program natin. So, para po sa first step na successfully na iraos ni Miss Farah and ni Miss Dorothy, which is of course the taking of the NPTE. So, before you take your NPTE, so sa Grandison po, we have the bootcamp po. So, bootcamp po is a 2-week program po, no? So, 2-week program of 4 days po yun every week. So, meron pong modules, meron pong lectures, and again, held by our partner review center, which is GHPA po. So, after the client or after the applicant pass the bootcamp or the PT pass the bootcamp, endorse na po natin siya para po sa proper review. So, yung proper review po, no, na pinagdaanan ng mga PTs po natin. So, we have the 6 months review po na for 3 months na comprehensive and then 3 months po for intensive. So, for ang schedule po natin ng bootcamp this cycle, mag-start po tayo ng August 12. And then for the proper review, kung makaka-attend po tayo ng proper review, September po siya. So, 6 months po yun. So, probably, kung matatapos mo yung 6 months na yun, katulad ng mga PTs po natin na na-invite for today, no, nakatapos din sila first take, no, probably baka April next year, pwede na kayo mag-take na NPTE. So, ayan. After passing your NPTE, petition filing na kaya. While doing your petition filing po, pwede na po natin start yung English review and exam. So, sa 3 months po, review and exam na po yun. 3 months. And again, this is all sponsored by Grandison. So after passing your NPTE, your English exam, and then the third step will be CGFNS visa screen po. So we have 3 months for that. So again, yung mga nakikita nyo pong months or mga nakikita nyo timeline dito, ito na po yung pinakamabilis po na sinasuggest ni Grandison. But then again, magiging depende pa rin naman po yun sa galaw po ng papers natin and pag-approve po sa US. Deployment stage will be NVC approval, NVC interview, and of course, ang pinakakaantay natin, departure to USA. Ayan, so with our sponsorship, that's inclusion po niyan, your NPTE review, application, FSBPT registration, PT form, processing your FSBPT for metric, and of course, we have the tourist visa, round-trip ticket, and hotel accommodation. And even your allowance kapag nag-exam kayo sa US, actually, meron ibibigay sa inyo sa Grandison. Of course, no, I think familiar naman na kayo na mag-exam kayo sa US and not here in the Philippines. And then once you're done your NPTE, proceed tayo sa TOEFL naman, TOEFL registration, CGFNS application, CGFNS certificate, your visa po para maging green card holder kayo, and of course, yung bayad po sa premium process na binabayad ni Grandison, yung one-way ticket nyo, departure nyo na to from Philippines. And of course, we have the legal fees for green card and green card issuance. A total of $15,000 US. So, what? Almost $1 million, no? 800,000 pesos po. So, ganun ka-generous po si Grandison when it comes to sponsoring and of course, inspiring our PTs po, no? Makarating sa US. Ayan. So with our NPTE review and exam sponsorship, that includes your comprehensive and intensive classes for you. So ayan, napasalamat tayo kasi meron tayong comprehensive and intensive classes kasi syempre para na rin to sa mga PTs natin, no? Medyo magiging challenge siya sa pag-review kay Grandison or sa GH. Na aminin na natin yan, pero hindi naman siya magiging bad thing, no? Kasi syempre, kung hindi rin naman natin siya challenge yung mga PTs natin, like with Miss Pyra and Miss Dorothy, no? So, gawin natin sila example, no? Kasi syempre sila, na-challenge sila. And then first take pa lang, pasado na sila na NPTE nila. And of course, have your tourist visa, flight, and hotel accommodation. Yung mga PTs po natin na pagsasabay nila yung work nila yung pag-review at the same time. Kasi we have online morning or evening classes via Zoom. So, kung ano po yung best suited po sa schedule nyo, so pick na lang po kayo kung ano po doon. Of course, we have one-on-one coaching and exclusive in-house review. Only review center offering computer-based simulation. So, gagawin nyo po yung NPTE review nyo through online. Ayan. So, ano nga po ba yung benefits of being a Grandison Scholar or kapag nag-self-finance ka? Kasi I think today meron na rin mga ibang nagko-consider po mag-self-finance. So, compare po natin kung ano yung magiging way po ni Grandison versus sa self-finance po. Let's start with the process ng credentialing or evaluation. Sa self-finance, yung for sure, stressful process to. Kasi kay Grandison po, ang gagawin nyo na lang, magpapasa ng requirements and si Grandison na po yung, or yung pre-deployment po natin yung mag-a-assist and magpaprocess po sa inyo. Stressful process and communication with the multiple association like the NYSED, FSBPT, and NVC. Unlike with Grandison, yung team na lang po namin, yung mga kausap nyo, magpapasa na lang po kayo ng requirements. So that is hassle-free processing through our dedicated deployment coordinators. Yeah. So shout out to them po. So we have the time management, can't focus on review kasi nga sa dami po ng nyo na kinakausap nyo, the NYSED, FSBPT, and NDC. Compromise working hours, and of course the cost of transportation, mailing, service, or processing. So again, with Grandison, shoulder na po natin. With us, just submit your scanned document. Imagine scanned document lang. Focus on your review, process and review while you work and get up to 1.5 million pesos of sponsorship. Ayan. So, ang comparison naman po ng self-finance sa Grandison Scholar kapag dating po sa NPTE review and exam. So, again, compromise po yung work hours nyo kasi kayo po mag-aasikaso nyo. So, review while work with Grandison. So, we have 1:30 student to teacher ratio kay Grandison for one-on-one coaching sessions. No endorsement policy. With Grandison endorsement policy to ensure your success in passing. So baka mas isipin nyo, walang endorsement policy, baka mas madali ito sa akin, hindi ko kailangan magpasa ng scores, hindi ko kailangan mag-submit ng mga ng scores ko, no? So baka mas madali siya sa akin. Pero guys, huwag nyo katakutan yung endorsement policy. Why? Kaya nga doon nakapasa yung mga PTs natin dahil sa higpit na endorsement policy natin. No? So kay Grandison, pwede naman namin kayo sponsoran ng ng exam nyo palagi Pero anong sense nun kung palagi tayong mag-e-exam na mag-e-exam? So, with endorsement policy, ini-ensure natin yung success nito. So, processing payment and booking exam date. So, again, kayo rin po mag-aasikaso niyan. With Grandison hassle-free processing through our dedicated deployment coordinators. Hard to source credible review center with high passing rate. So, sa pagmamayabang na rin po, no, kapartner po namin, ang pinakamataas po maglabas ng mga passers po ng NPTE. So, that is again, GH Premier.
Yan. Kumbaga, Sir Janver, wala na silang gagawin kundi mag-review. Right?
Parang sabi nga po ni Sir David, magre-review na lang po sila and then si Grandison na po yung bahala po sa lahat.
Okay, that's great to know. Ayan, sige, go ahead, Sir Janver.
Ayan, now with the self-pay again versus Grandisons. For the tuition alone, kapag nag-self-pay po kayo sa partner namin na review center, you'll be spending 50,000 pesos po. That's for tuition alone, comprehensive and intensive classes. With Grandison, just have to pay 5,000 pesos, not totally reimbursable po, no? Again, the credentialing and tourist visa, assistance lang po yung mga offer po nila. Unlike with Grandison, we have assistance plus process po. Accommodation allowance, airfare, and your NPTE exam, shoulder po ng mga PTs natin. With Grandison, mapasa nyo lang po yung bootcamp, no? Guarantee na po sa inyo yung sponsorship po natin. And ano po ba yung wala sa self-pay po versus kay Grandison? Of course, guaranteed seats for the review, one-on-one for the NPTE test taker, simulation exam, group coaching, send-off meeting, victory party, immigrant petition filing after the passing the NPTE, and of course, the secure job placement po. Ayan, so dahil po sa endorsement policy natin, we have a higher chance po on passing your NPTE exams.
I'm really looking forward for you to come over, study hard, get ready for that exam, pass that exam, and we'll get you all set up over here in the United States.
Ayan, so just like Mr. David Griezmann said, no, so study hard, no, and then si Grandison na po ang totally bahala sa inyo. Ayan, so you can take your NPT in Hawaii, Guam, or at Alaska. Again, all sponsored by Grandison. Ayan, so tapos na po ang aking online orientation. Mayroon akong quick commercial. So refer your friend with Grandison and earn as much as $1,500 po every successful referral po. So that was it, Miss Jody.
Yes, thank you so much, Sir Janver, no, for letting us know or guiding us, no, kung ano yung mga offers ni Grandison. And of course, punta na tayo sa isa sa mga main highlight of today's event. Main highlight of today's Grandison's Espresso Lounge. So I'll be calling again Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy. And of course, Miss Iana, no? So thank you so much, Sir Janver. Ayan. So pwede nang mag-stop sharing si Sir Janver. Ayan. Okay, sorry Sir Janver, no, pinalayas ka namin para magkasya kami sa screen. Ayan. Of course, congratulations once again to Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy, right? So, 95% score, right? On the last April 2024 NPTE exam. So, kamusta naman, Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy? No? I think unahin ko na si Miss Farah. Ayan. Miss Farah from Zamboanga City. Yan. Can you tell us a little bit about your journey, ma'am? How did you prepare for your NPTE exam?
Actually, I first signed up with Grandy in 2021 around November. But I was supposed to join the review cycle on November din, no? But I think it already started the week before I signed up. So, yun po, na-push po yung review ko and it started around late February na. Then, from there po, tuloy-tuloy naman po. Constant studying, constant attendance sa mga lectures, and of course, during the intensive, constant attendance din sa mga exams and rationales.
Okay, thank you, Miss Farah. How about you, Miss Dorothy? Kamusta naman ang iyong NPTE journey, no?
Um, I signed up with Grandy po mid-2022 when I was almost done with my DPT. Tapos, I was doing my capstone project during that time, so I cannot join the review pa po. Then, I started preparing for the NPTE a few months na after graduation, parang October or November na po. Then, from there, tuloy-tuloy na po until April 2024 na po.
Yan. So how was it, no, Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy? Kasi I think Sir Janver also mentioned earlier, no? So while you are reviewing for your NPTE, ongoing din yung process ng inyong Education Credentials Review or the ECR. So is that correct po? Oh, yan. So si Grandison yung nagpa-process ng papers for the
Yes po.
NPTE. Ayan, okay. Sige, no? And of course, no, I'm also curious lang din, no? Has working in the United States always been a dream for you, no? So what specifically made you consider this career path? I'll start first with Miss Dorothy. Yeah.
It's undeniable naman po na greener pastures, of course.
Yes.
But when I was studying DPT, I was fascinated by their research, their technology, and how they apply best evidences available. Kaya I wanted to experience them firsthand. So in the future, I can also share that knowledge in my home country. Yun po.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Dorothy. And how about Miss Farah? Ayan, mukhang may technical issues lang tayo. Or ako ba yung medyo nag-i-stop sa inyo? Hindi naman. Ayan. Okay. So maybe we can wait for Miss Farah later on, no? I guess I'll push for the next question. Ayan. Of course, maraming challenges. Ayan. I think Miss Farah is back. Ayan, Miss Farah. Ayan. As working within the United States has always been your dream. Ayan. Talagang ultimate goal mo ba talaga na mag-work sa United States?
Yes po, kasi po I already have relatives who live in the US, and every time they come back home, they always bring their huge balikbayan boxes, no? So I always was inspired because of that. So I always saw myself din po working abroad, which is why I think I also chose this program, being a physical therapist in the first place. Kasi po, yan.
Ayan, no? And how are you feeling right now, Miss Farah, 'di ba? Kasi parang isang try lang, one try for NPTE and yeah, nag-succeed ka agad, no? And 95%. 95% ang score.
Come again po. Sorry po,
Ayan.
ma'am.
Sure, Miss Farah, no? So, kamusta, ma'am? How did you feel about after finding out na nakapasa ka na sa NPTE? And it was your first take, right? First take and 95%. Ano yung initial reaction, initial feeling?
Actually, ma'am, I was very overjoyed. It was Ma'am Dorothy who chatted RGC that time. Na the scores, or rather the results, are out na daw po. Initially po, as I was looking into the website, parang nag-crash pa yata yung site eh. So parang natagalan pa yung pag-download. But once I saw the pass mark on my page, ayan, very overjoyed po. In fact, napatalon din po talaga ako sa tuwa.
Wow.
Yes po,
Yes.
kasi the journey wasn't easy for sure, and it was really rewarding and satisfactory to see na nakapasa po.
Yan. And of course, ikaw din, Miss Dorothy, na bilang ikaw ang nagbalita sa kanila that the results are out. Ayan. How did you feel nung lumabas yung result? At nakita mo na ang score mo ay 95% on your first try.
I felt really happy because I wasn't expecting po talaga na 95%. Like right after the exam, we were comparing our answers. Tapos sa akin, hala, parang mali yung nasagot ko. So, I was very anxious while waiting. So, parang I feel very relieved na.
Yeah. And I'm sure, no, kung nanonood din si Doc Ram right now, I'm sure he's also very proud na CDU alumni, 95%. Both of you, no, sa last April 2024 NPT exam. And nabanggit ni Miss Farah kanina, no, that it wasn't easy. The journey wasn't easy, no. So I'm also curious, and I'm sure even yung viewers natin, and all those aspiring PTs na gusto mag-work sa US, ano yung biggest challenge na na-encounter ninyo along your NPTE review or journey? And kamusta? How did you overcome it? Yan. Sisimulan ko na rin ulit kay Miss Dorothy. Ayan.
Um, Probably my biggest challenge was getting sick a week or two before the NPT talaga. So I had high fever for more than 3 days and I wasn't able to study well during that time. Plus I had simulation exams. So instead of stressing myself with studying the big books na po, I focused on the fundamentals na lang. Like I read tables and flashcards, then took some time to rest para makarecover agad.
Yeah. And la, I'm so happy, no, na at least before you took the exam, gumaling ka,
Yes
naka-recover,
po.
and pass the test. Yan. And how about you, Miss Farah? What was your biggest challenge na na-encounter?
That would be balancing po my job and my review time. Kasi po, on my first 2 cycles, I was not yet endorsed and I was still working as a full-time coordinator. And I could still say that my exam results then, they were really hampered by my divided attention. So I decided po after a while na I think it was better to just apply as part-time na lang po and then focus on studying my reviews po. Ayan. So with God's grace naman po, I was able to manage, and the rest is history.
Yeah, I guess it's all worth it, right? No? So talagang focus on the review. Yan. And since you also mentioned no yung mga cycle earlier, ano specific aspect ng Grandison and GHNPTE review program what do you think was the most beneficial sa exam preparation mo? Was it the intensive review, yung tutorial itself, or the one-on-one coaching? Which one do you think helped you the most?
I think po everything naman po is really helpful, no? Pero the intensive program really simulated the exam setting. So you really develop the endurance and the test taking skills that you needed in the actual exam. In fact, the rationales after the exam were also very insightful. Our lecturers were really helpful in giving us techniques to memorize and at the same time remember, or kahit mga test-taking techniques, binibigay rin nila sa amin para po mas ma-answer namin efficiently. Yun po.
Yeah, and I think shout out to the GHNPTE Review Center, NPTE academic team, di ba, for that. How about you, Miss Dorothy? Anong aspect naman ng review program ni Grandison and GH Premier was the most beneficial para sa'yo? Kasi iba-iba naman yung story natin, eh, no?
Opo. I think each one of them naman po is equally beneficial. Thanks to GH for organizing it so well. Pero yung one-on-one coaching and tutorial also gave us the chance to clarify topics po na we didn't quite understand, which would also come in handy naman during the NPTE.
Yan. And Miss Dorothy, no, of course, humble lang tayo dito, no? Humble, humble pero 95%, woo, in one take, yan, no? So, if there's any tip or secret, no, na gusto mong i-share sa mga PTs na in the future will take the NPTE, sa tingin mo, what do you think is the key in passing the NPTE in just one take? Just like what you did. Yan.
It's always persevere and pray and be patient. The journey isn't easy po talaga. Kaya you just manage your time well. I was also working at the same time preparing for the NPTE. Kaya it's important to plan your study time. Marami po talagang sacrifices like not being able to attend family gatherings, not being able to travel. Pero it will be all worth it naman po in the end. Yun po.
Thank you for that, Miss Dorothy. No? How about you, Miss Farah? Share mo din naman sa amin yung secret mo or yung tip mo no, on how to pass or ace the NPT in just one take.
Siguro in line na rin po sa sinabi ni Ma'am Dorothy, it's really to build a habit, no? You have to alter your mindset so that you can perform the best that you can, even if it's only, let's say, 40% of your performance from yesterday. Ayan. So, you persevere in studying, you try to understand the things that you really don't know and you can't comprehend until now, but it's still useful to brush on the things that you already know. And at the same time, no, whether you believe in manifestations or prayers, no, continue in doing so kasi talagang your desires will really influence the lifestyle that you will live to achieve your goal. Yan po.
Ika nga, no, manifestation, no? I'll be using hashtag future RPT. Ayan, no? Of course, thank you for sharing for those tips and secrets, Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy, no? So later on, babalikan namin kayo for more questions. But for now, let me call on Miss Iana Fajardo. Yan. Because we've been receiving a lot of questions about Grandison and GH Premier's endorsement policy program, 'di ba? Ano daw ba ang endorsement policy program? Was it difficult, no? Baka naman mamaya mapahaba pa yung review ko because of the endorsement policy. That's why we invited Miss Iana to address all those issues. Ayan. Hi, Miss
Okay.
Iana.
Hello, ma'am. Ang mag-share screen lang.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm.
So habang nag-share screen si Miss Iana, ayan. Congratulations once again for the recent result, no? July 2024 NPTE passers ni GH Premier at ni Grandathon.
Ma'am, kita na yung ano, yung share
May nakikita na kaming
screen.
screen, pero ang sabi lang niya ay naka-blackout lang siya sa akin. Ayan.
Naka-block lang.
Ayan.
Sorry, medyo maulan kasi dito.
Gusto mo ako mag-share, Miss Iana?
Mhm. Sige, ma'am. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sige, I'll be sharing the screen. There you go. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Kita na pa.
Hold on. So medyo sinadya ko yun na yung result talaga kaagad. No? Okay. Joke lang. Ayan. Okay.
Okay, so sabi nga ni Miss Jody, ang question na kanina, ano yung benefits, no, ng pagiging Grandison Scholar under endorsement policy na nagre-review sa GH Premier. Okay, so again, we are the partner review center of Grandison Management when it comes to the NPTE. Okay, so yung endorsement policy kasi parang nagkakaroon ng misconception, no, na pahirap siya, no, mahirap siyang i-meet yung criteria, no? However, it will be, you consider it as a guide, no? As a guide na, yun nga, sabi nila na this will guide you to be able to pass the NPTE ng one take lang. Okay? Kasi sino ba namang gusto na magte-take na naman ng NPTE, no? We all know that preparation for the NPTE is very different when it comes to the local board exam, no? Kasi in terms of finances talaga, mahirap yung magte-take ka na naman. Okay? Kasi another processing ng papers, no? Another registration, another travel in the United States. We all know that we do not have testing sites here in the Philippines, no? So talagang effort talaga, no, na magre-retake na naman ng NPTE. Okay? So what is the endorsement policy? Okay? So si endorsement policy, this is, we have criterias or scores that you need to pass on every endorsement exams or tinatawag namin na mga major exams or yung mga recorded exams for the Grandison Scholars. Okay? So they need to submit their answer sheets, no, sa mga student advisors para at least may kita nga natin kung ma-meet nila yung criteria, no, for endorsement. And if they meet the criteria for endorsement, this is the time that they will or the Grandison management will start to sponsor their processing. Okay? So as early as the comprehensive program, actually as early as the bootcamp, pwede na kayong ma-sponsoran, no, ni Grandison when it comes to the NPTE, okay, for the processing. So, nabanggit nga ni Sir Janver kanina, we have 3 stages for the NPTE review, okay? So, we already have the bootcamp program, the comprehensive program, and then si intensive program, okay? So, si bootcamp program, guys, ito yung parang pre-review program, okay? So, we created this program to prepare the students, no, na papasok sa comprehensive review. Okay? We know, no, I don't know if agree si Miss Farah tsaka si Miss Dorothy dito, na iba talaga yung parang setup ng review sa locals, no, when compared to the NPTE. So, ang nangyayari, medyo na culture shock, no, yung mga students pagdating sa comprehensive. That's why we created the bootcamp program para hindi sila ma-culture shock, no, doon sa comprehensive program. Okay? So si bootcamp 2-week program siya, no, na may lectures and an exam. Meron siyang exam. With the comprehensive program, dito na i-build yung foundation. Okay? Foundational knowledge ng mga students, no, para at least kahit na gaano kahirap or iba-ibang level of difficulty yung mabibigay sila sa kanila sa NPTE, they can answer it correctly, no? And mataas yung score na pwede nilang makuha. Okay? And for the intensive program, here, talagang ano na, specific na for the exam or preparation na talaga specifically doon sa NPTE, no? So kaya dito marami tayong mga mock test, marami tayong mga exams, everyday may exam sa intensive. Okay? So yan yung mga stages natin for the NPTE review. And as a Grandison Scholar, ang isa sa mga benefit nyo is madadaanan nyo lahat yung program na yan. Okay? So, hindi siya yung katulad na if yung sa ibang students, no, may iba sa intensive lang nag-enroll, no? Ang nagiging problema or isa sa mga cons, no, pag sa intensive lang, wala siyang foundation, no, from the comprehensive program. Kaya, nahihirapan talaga yung ibang students kapag nasa intensive na sila, na hindi sila naka-undergo ng bootcamp and the comprehensive program. So, that is one of the benefits, no, as a Grandison Scholar. Dadaanan nyo yan lahat. Okay? And another is, ayan, so, yung mga usually or yung mga frequently asked questions, no, sa amin ng mga students. So, will my NPTE review get sponsored? Of course, no? So, yan yung kasama sa sponsorship program ni Grandison, no? Lalo na kapag nami-meet mo yung endorsement criteria. Okay? So, again, consider the endorsement criteria as a guide. So, ibig sabihin, if ma-sponsoran kayo, confident si Grandison na kaya nyo na talagang mag-take ng next step, no? When it comes to the review. Okay? And next naman is another question, no, na lagi kong na-encounter sa mga student is what's next after I pass my NPTE, no? So here, magtutuloy-tuloy na yung credentialing process nyo for your deployment. Of course, si NPTE kasi is actually that is the first, no, na requirement nyo when it comes with your American Dream, no? So kailangan talaga pasado tayo sa NPTE. Okay? And when is the ideal time to start the process, no? Karamihan sa mga non-Grandison scholars, ito yung lagi nilang tinatanong sa akin, no? Kasi again, yung mga Grandison scholars, they are guided kasi nga sponsored sila ng processing or yung credentialing for the NPTE, no? So, you will be guided by the Grandison coordinators, and again, since the processing for the NPT is not as easy when it comes when compared to the local board exam, no, na sa local boards kasi pasa ka lang, no, magpapasa ka lang, seat ka na sa exam, magpapasa ka lang ng documents, no. However, for the NPTE, nire-review pa yan ng NYSET, no, na-mention nga kanina ni Ma'am Jody, nire-review pa yan ng ECR, so mag-undergo siya ng process. And as a Grandison Scholar, isa sa mga privilege nyo is nag-start na kayong mag-review and then nagpa-process na rin and pina-process na rin siya for you, no? Gina-guide na kayo ng mga Grandison coordinators natin. So at least, wala kayong nasasayang na oras, no? Si review and si processing for the NPTE, sabay silang nangyayari. Okay? So, I think napanood ko, Ma'am Jody, yung talk mo with Miss Jody and Sir Jervin, no? 'Di ba sabi nga nila,
Yes.
magre-review ka na lang, no? Magre-review ka na lang, mag-aaral ka na lang. Sila na or ang Grandison management na yung magga-guide sa inyo when it comes sa processing. Kasi sa totoo lang guys, stressful 'yan if may iniisip kang review tapos ikaw pa yung nagpa-process ng papers mo, no? Ikaw pa yung magpapasa, ikaw pa yung kumbaga magiging lost ka kasi, no? At least yung mga Grandison coordinators, sasabihin nila, these are the requirements that you need to submit. I-follow up ka nila, bibigyan ka nila ng advices ano yung kailangan gawin, no? So, again, that is one of the benefits, no, na Grandison Scholar na nagre-review with GH Premier. Okay? And another benefit, no, sa review naman is, again, ayun nga, one step at a time tayo sa review timeline. As a Grandison Scholar, madadaanan nyo lahat yung stages sa review. Okay? So, again, guided kayo. Hindi kayo yung For example, nagko-compre kayo and then nag-i-intensive. Okay? Kumbaga sabay. Mahirap yun, guys. No? Medyo parang suicide yun. Okay? So, mahirap siyang gawin. No? At least one at a time. Mahirap kasi kapag marami kang iniintindi. Medyo magkaiba kasi yung style ng review sa comprehensive and sa intensive. So, at least, prepared kayo before going doon sa next stage, no? And in-depth monitoring, okay? So, again, as I've mentioned before, the Grandison scholars need to submit their pre-test, no, or yung mga answer sheets nila. Kasi in this way, we can assess their performance, no? So, minomonitor talaga namin isa-isa, no, yung mga performance and scores ng mga Grandison scholars. Okay? And with that, nakikita din namin kung yan, ready to take na talaga si scholar. And then, ensures the confidence of the PT to pass the NPTE in one take only. So again, guys, no, for the past years, we have 91% passing rate for Grandison scholars. So, mataas talaga siya, guys, no? And, ayun, mostly talaga ng mga scholars natin na nag-undergo ng endorsement policy ay nakakapasa ng NPTE. And with this, of course, with the na-assess namin yung readiness of the scholar na mag-take ng NPTE, no? Kasi one of the benefits ng Grandison Scholar, they have multiple practice tests. Okay? So, marami silang simulation exam before the NPTE. So, doon guys na na kikita na nila, of course, before the exam, alam nila kung ano yung kailangan nilang i-work on. Okay? Not just yung knowledge-wise, of course, yung strategies to take the exam, no? So, dapat may strategy din sila to take the exam. Okay? Ayan, no? And then, again, one of the benefits ng mga Grandison scholars that are reviewing with us is one-on-one call with the head. Okay? So, dito, individual ko silang ina-assess and binibigyan ng feedback doon sa overall performance nila, no? Nagba-backtrack ako kung nag-i-improve ba sila or medyo nagre-regress yung performance nila. So, dito, na-heads up ko sila, no? This is done before the intensive program. Okay? So, sa intensive program kasi, this is the training na talaga for the NPTE. So, as early as before the intensive program, nagkakaroon na kami ng assessment. Okay? With Grandison scholars. And again, ayan, no? So, multiple simulation exams tayo before the NPTE. And we also have scheduled one-on-one coaching with the NPTE lecturers, no? So, nag-undergo dyan sila Miss Farah and si Miss Dorothy, no? So, talagang hands-on, one-on-one coaching ang ating mga intensive lecturers with our Grandison scholars, no? Na mga endorsed to take the NPTE. And of course, syempre, hindi namin sila papabayaan, no? Hindi namin sila papabayaan sumabak sa gera ng walang bala. So, talagang gagawa kami ng schedule na send-off call with the intensive team and the Grandison takers para at least alam nila kung ano yung mga kailangan nilang gawin, not only during the exam, no? Even yung before and after the exam. Para guided talaga sila for the NPTE. Because yung sa team namin, syempre, nag-undergo din kami, napagdaanan din namin yung NPTE, no? So, para at least, hindi sila lost before the exam. Okay? Para at least alam nila yung gagawin. Okay? So, yan yung mga passers natin since October 2023, no? So, again, mataas ng passing rate natin under GH Premier Review Center, especially for the Grandison scholars that underwent endorsement policy. Okay? So, ayun guys, no? Maraming benefits ang pagiging Grandison scholar, no? When it comes in sa preparation for the NPT.
Yes. And I think we can say, Miss Iana, na hindi nila dapat katakutan ang endorsement policy,
Oo, wow.
right?
Guide yun. Guide. Oo,
Yes,
guide
no?
talaga yun.
And I think maybe we can learn as well from Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy. I think Miss Farah mentioned earlier that I think nakailang cycles din siya before she finally took the exam. And the endorsement policy, ang goal niya is not to pahirapan kayo or pahabain ang process ninyo, but to make sure that you are really ready to take the NPTE in one take lang. Ayan, no? So, Miss Iana, ayan. I think aside from being the NPT department of GH Premier, this also applies as a Grandison Scholar, no? So, how do you
Mhm.
think or how significant do you think, okay, you mentioned the endorsement policy, right? How significant is it in passing their NPTE compared kapag magsi-self-finance lang sila, for example? I know you mentioned it earlier, pero baka you have a different perspective as a Grandison Scholar as well.
Um, in my personal experience, yung feeling kasi na endorse yung status mo, nakaka-boost kasi talaga siya ng confidence, no? Na I was able to take the or pass the exams, no? Under GH Premier. And yun nga, madadala mo kasi siya hanggang sa NPTE, no? Um, Personal experience ko, talagang yung biyahe kasi namin going, yung sa NPTE, talagang stressful yun, no? Ako, nag-take ako sa Nebraska, no? Medyo malayo, matagal yung biyahe, no?
Malayo.
Oo. So, parang ako iniisip ko nun, ay parang hindi ko yata kayang ipasa yung NPTE, no? Pero yung confidence kasi na within me na napasa ko naman yung mga exams during the review na meet ko yung criteria or yung endorsement criteria. So talagang nakaka-boost kasi ng confidence na meet mo yung endorsement criteria under GH Premier.
Yeah. Thank you for that, Miss Iana. And do you think, other than that, no, as the NPT department head din ni GH Premier, ano yung secret or tips na pwede mong i-pass on sa kanila, i-share sa kanila on how they can also pass their NPT in just one take lang?
Ayan, no? So, sinasabi ko sa mga students ko na kailangan gusto nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Okay? So, talagang it will be easy kapag love nyo yung ginagawa nyo. And, ayun. So, kailangan talaga may sacrifice. Kasi, ang NPTE, hindi lang naman yan basta exam. No? So, this is a very important part of our American dream. And of course, yung preparation is talagang dapat serious tayo sa preparation, no? So, ayun, no? Para ma-meet nyo yung endorsement criteria, kailangan talaga ng effort, no? Sacrifices, and of course, um, keep in mind na lagi namin kayong i-guide, no? Para sa NPT.
Yes, no? That's very motivational, Miss Iana, no? And going back to our scholars who just recently passed their NPT, no, to Miss Dorothy and to Miss Farah, is there anything else you'd like to add about your experience with Grandison Therapy or GH Premier, or maybe an example lang then on how Grandison or GH Premier went above to support you, no, during your most difficult times in reviewing or making sure that you are able to take and pass the exam? I'll start first with Miss Farah.
Actually, I have so much gratitude for Grandison and GH Premier kasi our student advisors, our student coordinator, Miss Ayana, and of course, our lecturers were also accommodating during the process. Even nung nasa Guam na kami to take our exam, they were still very accommodating given na there was still a time difference, and also tapos na yung cycle nun. Technically, hindi na sila entitled to answer our queries, pero talagang accommodating pa rin. I recall our group actually chatted Sir Noel if parang may hindi kami napag-agree. Ayan. So, chinat namin si Sir Noel just to clarify. And talagang ang response is immediate po. Ayan. Hindi na kami natagalan. At the same time po, Ma'am Arlene, our deployment coordinator, and she constantly checks up on us and reminds us of our documents, our processes. So, hindi talaga namin nami-miss yung mga steps ng filing. Kahit nga po yung talagang overwhelmed kami kasi kahit yung accommodations and yung flight, to be honest, I expected the cheapest kasi since scholars lang naman kami, hindi na kami dapat magreklamo, no? Pero talagang na-touch kami kasi yung accommodations pa lang superb na eh. Kasi it felt like a vacation at the same time. So hindi namin na-feel na andun lang kami para mag-exam kasi after nun nakapag-enjoy pa kami kahit papano. Ayan. So that's one thing na I'm really thankful po kasi the support, whether morally and mentally, was really there po.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Farah. And shout out, hello to Sir Noel Alvaro, right, Miss Iana? And of course to Miss Arlene, the Grandison Deployment Coordinator. Thank you for all the help and for your immediate response sa ating mga scholars every time. And of course, I will also ask Miss Dorothy, no? How about you, ma'am? Kamusta? Is there anything else that you would want to add, no, sa experience mo with Grandison and GH Premier as well?
Parang nasabi na po ni Ma'am Farah lahat. Pero I'm extremely grateful po to our lecturers for being patient during their discussion. Kahit minsan paulit-ulit na namin pina-explain, they're still very patient with us. Also, very helpful talaga yung pagmamonitor nila ng scores and pag-feedback ng advisors so we'll know our weak areas and find our way through it and have an in-depth understanding na po about the topic. And also when we were traveling to Guam, they were really checking on us if safe na po ba kami nakarating kahit may time difference po, ginagawa po talaga nila.
Yes, parang 24 hours atang gising yung mga lecturers natin
Mhm.
in the whole NPTE department kapag may
Yes
exam.
po.
Yes, no. And now that you've passed the NPTE, what do you think is next for you, Miss Dorothy? Is there anything that excites you right now in terms of your processing, no? Kasi syempre mas one step closer ka na rin sa pagiging PT in the United States.
As of now po, my papers are still under credential review. So while waiting, I'm also working and taking some time to learn new things, volunteering. And I'm also taking some time to enjoy and reward myself kasi the NPT was an arduous journey kasi. So I
Yes.
think worth it po
Sobrang
lahat.
pagod, no? Oo.
Yes,
Bumabawi ng
deserve
pagod.
naman. Parang
Yan,
deserve naman
deserve.
po.
Yes. How about you, Miss Farah? What's next, no? Anong ginagawa natin ngayon na pinagkakabalahan natin?
Right now po, I'm actually taking the TOEFL review program with GH. I think that's the next step after the NPTE, which is to take the
Yes.
TOEFL. Reviewing is still quite intense kasi I know the exam daw isn't easy eh, pero with really good teachers, I feel somewhat confident na I can take the exam and hopefully pass. Ayan. So,
Yes.
yun po.
Ayan. And of course, let's also ask Miss Iana, no? How about you, Miss Iana? Syempre, of course, medyo matagal ka na nakapasa ng NPT. What's also next for you, no? Is there anything that excites you right now in terms of becoming a PT in the United States?
So, actually, ma'am, medyo nasa deployment stage na ako. And hopefully,
Wow.
ma-deploy na ako this year. Hopefully.
Yay! Yes! Okay. Hopefully, no? Malapit na. Ayan. And I'm down to the last two questions, no? But I guess I'll start first with Miss Iana. What advice can you give or would you give to those aspiring Filipino PTs who dream of working in other countries like the United States?
Ayun, no? So, actually, yung dream na yan is very, parang common na talaga siya, no? Sa mga Filipinos, Filipino PTs here in the Philippines, no? So, talagang, actually, nabanggit kanina ni Sir Janver na nag-interview ako ng mga PTs, aspiring to be a Grandison Scholar. And, if kumbaga nandito na kayo sa stage no na in preparation for the NPTE, ayan sabi ni Miss Farah sa TOEFL siya no. Yung preparation is matagal. Matagal talaga siya. May process talaga siya. Pero once nandun ka na no sa finish line, talagang very worth it siya. Okay? Talagang kailangan nyo lang ng effort. Again, sabi ko, kailangan gusto nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Kailangan important para sa inyo yung ginagawa nyo. So, kailangan talaga yung nasa isip mo na nag-aantay ako kasi very important sa akin tong dream na to, no? Once na nakapag-work na tayo doon sa US, all will be worth it, no? Kumbaga ano yung journey mahaba siya, pero pag nandyan na, as in parang makakalimutan mo na siya kasi iba sa feeling na nandun ka na. And parang fulfilling din kasi na napagdaanan mo yung ganong process, no? Mas fulfilling siya yung journey kasi, no? Pero pag masyado kasing madali mo siyang makukuha, baka madali din siyang mawala, no? So yung process talaga, um, important talaga yun. Ayan.
Yes. Ika nga long-term goals, Miss Iana. And
Yes,
all worth the
long-term
wait in
goal.
the end. Yan.
Mhm.
And tatanungin ko din, no, si Miss Farah. Miss Farah, anong tip mo or advice mo to those other Filipino PTs aspiring to work in other countries katulad ng Amerika?
Siguro one advice is start your applications as soon as possible, no? Sabi nga
Yes.
ni Grandy, no, you wish you started sooner. And totoo nga, I wish I started sooner kasi it's been 5 years since my local board exam and I wish I started the same year, no? Pero nandito na rin naman tayo. Ayan. So, if I were you, you don't know where to start, consult with an agency. Or better yet, consult with Grandison. Ayan, attend their orientation kasi it's free. Walang mawawala kung a-attend tayo. Less than an hour lang ata yung orientation. And actually, ako after ng orientation, mas nahikayat pa akong jumoin at maging scholar with Grandy. Ayan. So, start on your application process as
Yeah.
soon as you can. Ayan.
Thank you, Miss Farah. Medyo kinikilig naman kami sa sinabi mo, no, about Grandison. Ayan. And of course, tatanungin ko rin si Miss Dorothy. Yan. Any advice or tips, Miss Dorothy, to the PTs aspiring to work in other countries like USA?
Um, the journey isn't easy po talaga. It's arduous and sometimes it feels out of reach. But with patience and endurance, magiging worth it po talaga lahat. Malayo pa pero malayo na po. Yun po.
Yes, of course, no. And based on your experience so far, Miss Dorothy, do you think would you recommend Grandison therapy scholarship program to the other Filipino PTs?
Yes po, of course. Through Grandison's guidance kasi, parang everything was easy for me. Kasi may nag-guide sa documents, anong dapat i-comply and everything. So, very, very convenient po talaga with Grandison. Yes.
Yan. Thank you, Miss Dorothy. And of course, no, hindi ko i-skip na itanongin din si Miss Farah. So far, based from your experience, Miss Farah, would you recommend Grandison therapy as well to those other Filipino PTs, no, na gustong magtrabaho sa Amerika?
Yes naman po, no? Especially if you are struggling financially and you think the processing fees and the overall expenses are overwhelming. Ayan. Becoming a scholar isn't easy. Totoo yan. Pero imagine din the financial burden lifted from you, no? For now, in order to process your US dream. In fact, marami akong kakilala who are taking up the self-finance route. And talaga nga daw pong hindi joke yung mga nabayaran na nila, no? Malaki yung gastos. But again, being a scholar, ayan, just imagine all those burden taken out from you. And ayan, big help po talaga maging scholar with Grand.
Yeah, mag-review na lang, no? And of course, si Miss Ayana, tatanungin din natin, no? So far, Miss Ayana, sa iyong long journey and experience, would you also recommend Grandison therapy to other Filipino PTs aspiring to work in the United States?
Yes naman, ma'am, no? Actually, ano sa Grandison, kasi 'di ba after the NPT, medyo sa aming mga PTs, if hindi ka Grandison scholar, medyo lost ka, no? So after ano nang gagawin, no? With Grandison kasi secured ka na you will be having an employer, no? Once you go in the United States. So talagang hanggang finish line talaga siya na maka-work ka talaga sa US, no? So talagang big help si Grandison sa mga PTs, no, in achieving their American dream. So sabi nga ni Miss Farah and Miss Dorothy, talagang yung financial burden din kasi hindi naman um again, mahal, no? Mahal talaga yung processing. Start pa lang ng NPTE, mahal talaga siya, no? Pati sa mga visa screen, no? Yung mga, yung sa deployment, TOEFL, DPT, no? One of the biggest, ano talaga yan ng mga PTs, no? So, again, Grandison Management is there, no? To support and guide, no? Yung mga scholars nila in achieving their American dream. So, talagang maganda and talagang mare-refer ko, no, si Grandison Management sa mga PTs na.
Yes. Thank you so much, Miss Iana, Miss Dorothy, and Miss Farah. I hope maraming natutunan ng ating mga Filipino PTs watching right now. No, the benefits of being a Grandison scholar and the tips and secrets that we've heard from Miss Dorothy, Miss Farah, and of course Miss Iana on how to ace your NPT exam in just one tip. No? And more than that, no, ini-invite din namin kayo tomorrow para sa isang for another Grandison Espresso Lounge interview together with our July 2024 NPTE passer. So fresh na fresh pa, no? From the results today. So tomorrow, makakabanding natin sila. We will be hearing their stories tomorrow. What are the challenges and the struggles din na naranasan nila? Just like Miss Dorothy and Miss Farah. And once again, this has been Jody, your host for today's Grandison Espresso Lounge. Maraming salamat and don't forget to follow and like our page. Thank you, Miss Iana, and thank you, Miss Dorothy and Miss Vara. It's nice. It's very nice to have you today dito sa Grandison Espresso Lounge.
Thank you,
Ayan.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
po.
Yan. Thank you to all of our viewers. Ayan, nabubulol na ako. So, ikakat ko na po siya. Ayan. Thank you po.